In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ideal BB with MA in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open for any market you want to analyze. This could be a stock, crypto pair, forex pair, or anything else. It doesn't matter which symbol you're on for this process. We just need an active chart so we can add the indicator to it. Once your chart is open, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it's usually near the middle or left side of the toolbar, labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click that. This will open the Indicators window, which is where you can search through all the available built-in and community indicators on TradingView. When the Indicators window pops up, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly into that search box so you can start typing. This search field is really helpful because it filters the entire library in real time, so you don't have to scroll through long lists or guess where something is located. Now, in that search box, type Ideal BB with MA. Make sure you spell it carefully so TradingView can find the exact script you're looking for. As you type, TradingView will start showing matching results underneath. Give it a second if your connection is a bit slow, and then look for the indicator named Ideal BB with MA in the results list. Once you see it, simply click on the name of the indicator in the list. The moment you click it, TradingView will automatically add it to your active chart. You should notice new lines or bands appear, usually overlaying your price candles. That means the indicator has been successfully applied. If you don't see anything right away, try zooming out or checking that the indicator is turned on in the chart's indicator panel on the left or bottom of your screen. If you're not already on TradingView Pro or you want to upgrade from the free version, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description. Using that link gives you access to the full Pro features, which makes working with indicators like Ideal BB with MA much smoother, with more saved layouts, extra indicators per chart, and overall better performance. And that's all you need to do. Open your chart, click Indicators, use the search box to find Ideal BB with MA, add it to your chart, and you're ready to start analyzing your setups with it in TradingView Pro.